What's up, everybody? It's your boy KAWIKATANA. About to head out, take this booster back to the rightful owner. Had a great time. I used it for the MOTO meetup. Give props to my homeboy Taz for letting me ride the booster, but you know, gotta take it back to him. You don't like to keep people's stuff too long. But I like to say this: I had a great time meeting a lot of people. I met Spin with Finn, which I've met him before. Met Chaseontwowheels the first time. MEETUP. But the person that I met that I really liked a lot, and y'all gonna trip, guys, but I'm gonna give it to my boy Goofy Moto. Goofy Moto, here he is right here, Goofy Moto. And I got an autograph. He autographed the card for me. I like that kid, man. He's awesome. I suggest you go check his channel out. Man, kid is ridiculous, man. He's awesome, man. Y'all gotta check him out. But shout out to Goofy Moto, man, for walking up to me and meeting me, and I met him and hung out and talked, and just want to give him a shout out, guys. So y'all check his channel out, and you know, tell him I sent you, KAWIKATANA. What's up, guys? Man, feel bad taking this bike home, but you know, I gotta take it back. But I want to say a few things, okay? I'm as real as you can get, okay? I know people have not met me, you don't know me from the brick in the wall, but I'm not one of those moto vloggers or people who, when you see on camera, they portray themselves to be something, but then outside they're like totally different. I'm as real as can be. And I have to say, I got to eat my words on a few things. First thing I have to eat my words on is my friend has one of these ram mounts right here on his bike, as you see. I used it going down, you know, to the meetup, you know, because I didn't have my tank bag and I could put my jacket, but you know, I decided not to, you know, just to put on here just to see. And I have to admit, guys, having this was pretty cool. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not gonna go buy one for my bike, even though, you know, I like it and things like that. I'm not gonna go out and buy one, but I have to say that this was a good tool. It's a good idea. And I made a video about, you know, why you shouldn't use them, which I still stand by why you shouldn't use them, but I kind of have to say that it is also good to use these too. So, you know, I'm a man that will say that I'm wrong about something, and I'm quite wrong about these things. I am, and I'm not afraid to, I'm not, you know, man, I'm not to admit it. I'll tell you. The second thing that I have to admit that I was wrong about: meeting Chase, meeting Yummy, and meeting Spin with Finn. I have to say that they really changed my perspective about motovloggers and people who are much higher than me in subs. I really thought that Chase was going to be one of those guys that's like, oh, I'm Chase on 2 wheels. I'm almost at 1 million subscribers. I am the best. And who are you? Oh, how many you have? Oh, well, you only have 1,000? Oh, well, you know, I'm not going to hang out with you. I am totally wrong about them. And it's been with Finn. I said to him, now, I walked up to these guys and I actually told them to their face what I thought that they were going to be like, because of just my assumptions. And I thought Spin with Finn was like one of those motovloggers, like, look what I got a lot of money, I'm going to show you I got this, I got that, blah, 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 blah. And I was totally wrong about the guy. The guy was really cool. I mean, we talked for a good, you know, we chopped it up for a good minute, you know. And it just changed my whole outlook on different people and, you know, who they are. And I'm just saying, like, it's just crazy, guys. So I like to formally apologize for some of the videos I've made. To some, now I'm not saying all of them, because I still believe there's some that are, you know, buttholes. and I don't care if they walk up to me and say something, whatever. But those 3 particular guys, I was just off. They were awesome. Because the thing is, like I said in my other videos, I'm not one to go up there and kiss people's butts. I'm not a kiss ass. I'm gonna tell you how it is, and I'll tell it to your face. I have no problem coming to anybody and telling them how I feel about them or what I think about them. Now, if by chance, like this situation where I talked to them and got a chance to know them, they changed my whole perspective of who they were, you know, and it was really cool. Because yeah, it would be nice to have support of the bigger channels for small channels, but it's not a necessity. Well, so I appreciate that. And also meeting MOTO, met him too. Great guy. I mean, you know, they were all cool. It was really a good chance to network. And you know, the thing that would really impress me the most is when you hang around people who, you know, who are higher than you, but you seem to be able to talk about stuff like and bounce ideas off of each other about your page, or I mean your channel and things like that, or ideas about topics or content. It's really cool to be able just to sit and talk to people and to be able just to be in like, it's like a think tank, you know? Like, it was cool because me, Chase, and some other guys were sitting there talking, and we were like, you know, Chase, we were talking about, like, someone asked Chase if they would, if he would trade his bike in for a Tesla, you know, and, you know, Chase was like, well, it depends on, you know, what style Tesla it is, you know. I mean, I don't know what style they are. I just know they're expensive cars. So, you know, I really didn't know, but I knew they're like battery power and they're really expensive. So, you know, Chase said, well, I would trade my bike for this model, blah, 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 right? So I started thinking, I was like, hey, Chase, you know what would be a great idea? I said, man, you know, to get one of those, what you should do is, you know, you can't really buy parts and all that stuff like that, but, you know, and we were talking about some guy driving, you know, from a long way, you know, in a Tesla, and we were talking about, like, you know, what happens if he ran out of juice and stuff, and, you know, where the charging stations at, or how many there were. And we were like, you know what, Chase, would be a good idea, man. You get a truck with a battery, you know, some batteries in there, and you charge up. You know, you just ride around and you charge up, you know, Teslas that are on the side of the road that need a charge. And then another guy was like, yeah, and then you can, you know, we can name it, you know, Chase and Charge. So I was just like, you know what, that's a great idea. You know, but it's just good to be able to talk and have those kind of ideas, you know, and be along with people who are like-minded, who are talking about something positive and things and ideas.